We actually have 2 LFOs per voice on the Polysix. We have one dedicated to pulse width modulation. So you can hear. Sounds beautiful. Also, I should note here that the PWM can go further on the Polysix than it can on the Juno 6. All the way through 0 where we're losing the actual note, for better or worse. Again, it's kind of one of those things I don't know if it necessarily, makes a difference, but sometimes it can be fun to be able to do these sorts of, type sounds, right? So we just don't have that on the Juno 6. And then the LFO can still be routed to the VCO. And what's interesting is the mod wheel can increase that amount even further than the level amount. And so it's kind of, we have like 2 independent controls for the LFO over here. Whereas in this case, we don't have a mod wheel at all, actually. We just have this LFO trigger, which is super interesting. And so the way that works is you can either trigger it to be on, so, or if we have it like on LFO mode, we don't hear it until I hit the trigger.